Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music chords. We'll start by understanding the very basics. Chords are built from 3 or more notes played simultaneously. Your journey begins with major and minor triads, which are 3-note chords. Focus on identifying the root, 3rd, and 5th notes. These are the essential components. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success as you explore more complex harmonies. Now let's get practical with essential chord shapes. Begin by mastering common open chords such as C, G, D, E, A, and F. These 6 chords form the basis for countless songs. Dedicate time to practicing smooth transitions between them, aiming for a clean sound. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to develop a steady rhythm, perhaps starting at 60 beats per minute and gradually increasing. Moving beyond individual chords, let's explore how they connect to form progressions. A chord progression is simply a series of chords played in a specific order. The I Roman 4V progression is a foundational structure found in thousands of songs across many genres. Understanding this pattern will unlock your ability to play and even compose simple melodies. Experiment with various sequences to hear how different chords interact. To further expand your chord knowledge, delve into more advanced techniques. Bar chords, for instance, are movable shapes that allow you to play many chords across the fretboard with just one hand position. Also, explore inversions, which change the order of notes within a chord, creating different sonic textures. Remember to utilize the wealth of online resources and interactive apps available to support your continuous learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.